This is going to be a series on Firebase and the installation, configuration, and interaction with the service. There are more videos coming, so please like the video and subscribe. The more subs I have, the more quality videos I am motivated to make and help you learn your way around the web. So let's dive right in. You may have heard of AAS concepts like IaaS or what's referred to as PaaS or PaaS or SaaS. These are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Firebase is backend as a service. It's a cloud-based service model where developers are able to outsource the numerous aspects of website and application development. It provides a simple structure for developers to focus on the front end. It works on a real-time database, which is the wave of the future as far as databases are concerned. Most databases give you what you want when you ask for it through an HTTP request. Firebase provides live updates. Firebase was created by Firebase Inc. back in 2011 and then acquired by Google in 2014. There are currently 18 products sitting on Firebase's platform and 1.5 million apps hosted. There are a lot of reasons to use Firebase moving forward in your development careers. I have put a number of links in the description to the various concepts discussed above. We'll get Firebase installed and then we'll be interacting with it through NPM, which is the package manager for Node.js.